Hello everyone, in this video we're going to have a look at return by reference. So in a function, right, I'm going to create a function called func, and I'm going to create this, and of course you know that I'm going to return a variable called x. Okay, so x, I'm going to create a global variable, right? I'm going to call it a string x, and I'm going to make it equal to a name called Adam. Okay, now of course you know that if this is string, if the function is of type string, then it should return a string, which in this case it is returning a string. If this is an integer, then this should the data type of the function should be an integer if the function is returning an integer. Alright, so yeah, you know that. Now the thing is that if I in the main function cout func, alright, func, and actually not func, I'm going to create another variable. I'm going to create it using two steps. So string name is equal to func, which is the function, and I'm going to cout name. Now of course if I cout this and I run this program, you can see it's Adam, nothing new. But assume I want to actually change the value of Adam. Alright, so the way to do this would be x is equal to I'm going to say Muhammad, like that. Now if I actually run this program, you can see that it changed the value to Muhammad. Now here's the thing, assume I actually don't want to change it using this way. There's another way of doing this, and this another way of doing it is the following. You can return by reference, and the way to do that is by using an ampersand behind the function name. So an ampersand would be there, and here I'm going to say equal to and Muhammad. Alright, so the function is equal to that, and then the name would be assigned. So whatever return by reference, what that means is that it's going to return this value and it's going to assign it to this variable called name. So if I run this program, you can see that it actually does print Muhammad. Okay, so that's something called return by reference. Now another thing to note, which you perhaps didn't know before, is that in C++ you can actually declare a function like this as well. So if you just drop that, the body, here you have a declaration. Outside of the main, just after the main, you can actually have string, and with the same function body you can declare a function like that. You can have a function and it would still work. Okay, so you can have a declaration before the main and you can have the actual function out of the main. The point would be that you don't declare functions inside of the main. Alright,